Alam nyo, Mr. Secretary, i-disclose ko lang, noon ako unang napikon sa inyo. Sinabi nyo kagad sa inyong interview, mali yung grid coordinates namin ng aking team na in-inspeksyon namin, na kinunclude namin ghost project sa Sitio Dique, Oriental Mindoro. And we were very sure na hindi yon na hindi mali. Alam namin talagang ghost project because we never relied or we did not rely on the Sumbong sa Pangulo, which at that time was not yet in existence. Hindi pa ito na-launch. Bakit meron na kagad kayong parang subliminally or consciously, alam niyo nang may mga maling grid coordinates? That was the first time, you know, when I first learned na talagang meron mga nasubmit sa Sumbong sa Pangulo na maling grid coordinates, you know, my investigator's mind, no? Kaya unang naisip ko Secretary, bakit kayo nakapagsalita noon na mali yung grid coordinates namin when in fact we did not rely on the Sumbong sa Pangulo grid coordinates. We relied on the DPWH grid coordinates and people on the ground. Kaya we were 100% sure na yung sinabi ko sa aking privilege speech na ghost project sa Sitio Dique was really a ghost project. Alam nyo, Mr. Secretary, i-disclose ko lang, noon ako unang napikon sa inyo. Because you were undermining the work done by my staff. Go ahead, please. Please explain.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, but there's probably a misunderstanding a little bit on that, Mr. Chair. I only knew about the differences between the yung grid coordinates when we submitted actually the list of projects sa Office of the President. That is, I never knew actually about the coordinates, even
maliwanag po yung inyong interview Mali yung grid coordinates ni Senator Lacson. Yun ang narinig ko sa interview nyo. Sabi ko, paano niya sabing mali? Chinek namin sa ground mismo, kausap namin yung mga tao, and we inspected physically. No? So my other question is, between August 4 last year, when you submitted the list of the grid coordinates to the Office of the President, and now that we're discussing it, kailan nyo unang na-realize na may mga maling grid coordinates?
After August 4, Your Honor.
When? After August 4 could be today.
Well, I think a few weeks after when I already been able to validate actually yung existence of the ghost projects in Bulacan First Engineering.
Who informed you na mayroong mali?
The Regional Office of Region 3, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo nasabihin ni Undersecretary Bernardo na mali po, sir, yung ating nasubmit?
Hindi po for that particular area, Your Honor.
No.
We did not discuss.
All over, no? All over.
We did not discuss actually coordinates at that time, Your Honor.
Undersecretary Bernardo?
We did not discuss the coordinates actually at that time. It's only the presence of the
okay.
potential.
I want to hear from Undersecretary Bernardo because in one of our private conversations, na-take up niya yan Nasabi na sa inyo na mali po, sir, yung ating na-submit. When was that?
Mr. Chair, basta naalala ko lang po noon is that when I talked to one of my, especially Region 4B, during that time, because there were issues in Region 4B that I think hindi naman po ghost talaga. So, ang ginawa ko po doon, with the Director, Gerald Pacana, na hindi ko po makausap noon, ay naalala ko po noon, kinausap ko si Engineer Altea at saka si Ruben Santos na sabi ko, paliwanag nyo na kay Secretary yan dun sa yung sitwasyon natin na baka mali yung mga coordinates.